to share with you the incredible reverse engineering services offered by Scon Design India Private Ltd in Rohini, Delhi NCR. If you are in need of top-notch reverse engineering solutions, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise and cutting-edge technology, they are revolutionizing the field of reverse engineering. Scon Design India Private Ltd's reverse engineering services in Rohini, Delhi NCR, are truly exceptional. Whether you need to recreate a product that is no longer available or improve an existing design, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. Their team of skilled engineers and technicians work tirelessly to ensure that every project is executed flawlessly. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from their competitors is their commitment to delivering high-quality results. They understand that each project is unique and requires a tailored approach. That's why they take the time to understand your specific requirements and provide customized solutions that meet your exact needs. Scon Design India Private Ltd utilizes state-of-the-art technology and equipment to carry out their reverse engineering services. Their advanced scanning and imaging techniques allow them to capture even the finest details of a product, ensuring accurate replication. With their expertise, they can recreate complex geometries and intricate designs with precision. When it comes to reverse engineering, Scon Design India Private Ltd leaves no stone unturned. They meticulously analyze the scan data to understand the underlying principles and functionality of the original product. This enables them to not only replicate the design but also make improvements and enhancements to enhance its performance. With Scon Design India Private Ltd's reverse engineering services in Rohini, Delhi NCR, you can expect quick turnaround times without compromising on quality. I am thrilled to share with you the incredible reverse engineering services offered by Scon Design India Private Ltd in Rohini, Delhi NCR. Let me tell you, their expertise in this field is unmatched, making them the go-to company for all your reverse engineering needs. Scon Design India Private Ltd has truly revolutionized the industry with their cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions. Whether you are looking to recreate a product or improve its design, their team of experts will provide you with exceptional results. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, they understand the importance of reverse engineering in today's competitive market. With their state-of-the-art equipment and skilled professionals, they can accurately analyze and deconstruct any product, no matter how complex it may be. Their attention to detail is impeccable, ensuring that every aspect of the original product is captured and understood. This allows them to create precise CAD models and drawings that can be used for various purposes, such as product improvement, manufacturing, or documentation. One of the most impressive aspects of Scon Design India Private Ltd's reverse engineering services is their ability to provide quick turnaround times without compromising on quality.